How to create Google Forms. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can create Google Forms. So let's just get started with the video and find out how to do it. So if you want to go ahead and create a Google Forms, you can head over to Google Forms directly and you'll be finding this. So all you need to do is go ahead and click on this blank form section after you're logged in. And this opens up. So in order to create your own Google form, when this opens up, first of all, you can find this option that says Untitled Form. So you can just go ahead and write up the topic, title for your Google form. You can cancel out this Untitled Form and write up a title for your Google form first. Just go ahead and do that. For example, playlist. After that, you can go ahead and add description for your Google form. For example, songs, and you can also edit it out like adding bold, underline, and different options available. After that, you can just go ahead and create a form for yourself, like ask questions. For example, multiple choice question, and you can go ahead and write in your question first, and then give options for your form, or you can also provide different options available when we head over. For example, multiple choice, and you can go ahead and add up options for your questions available. So you can just go ahead and do that. For example, you can add up to, 4 options or more than that. You can just go ahead and look out for that. For now, I'm just doing some of the options available. Yeah, you can just go ahead and do that. After that is done, if you want to add another questions, in the right side you can find this plus icon. Just go ahead and tap on it and you can write up your second questions for your Google form that you're trying to create. So you can just go ahead and do that, and along with that we have different options available, adding image, video, and different column as well. After it is done, you can head over to responses if you want to look for your responses. For now we don't have any, but if you want to look for your responses, you just need to come here. After that, under the settings, we have this option. So if you want to make it a quiz, you can just go ahead and turn this option right here and select, look out for the options available. After that, under here, you have, again, other options. And along with that, at the top, we have this theme option. You can just go ahead and select up a theme, like header, question, task, and you can even choose an image. After that, this and undo, redo, copy link, and share option as well. And along with that, publish. So once everything is done, you just need to go ahead and click on this publish, and you can manage the responders. Like you can edit out the responders, you can edit out and manage the editor access, the responder access, and click on done. After that, all you need to do is head over and publish after your Google Forms is created. And if you want to share, you can just go ahead and tap on the share icon and add people or groups, and even copy link and share it. So this is it for now. That is how you create a Google form. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.